Hey, and welcome to your first full week of Online Chemistry 2. I hope you got started okay on Friday. If you didn't, let me know. Send me a message on Canvas, send me an email, but just let me know if you're not seeing what you feel like you need to see. You should have gotten an invitation for the regular Zoom meetings already. If you're in first period, remember we're Zooming at 8:45 on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. If you're in the third period class or the online only class, we're Zooming at 12:15 on also Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Office hours for everybody will be on Mondays and Wednesdays at 6 o'clock. And again, if you'll just send me a message and let me know that you want to come to office hours, that's how that will work. I'll go ahead and put up a Zoom invitation for that a little bit later today. I'm taping this on Friday, so hopefully you'll have that ready to go for you on Monday if you need those office hours times. Again, a reminder, if you don't send me a message, I may not even open that Zoom meeting, so I don't have to sit there in front of a blank computer screen for 30 minutes or an hour waiting to see who's going to show up. So just let me know, sort of make an appointment if you want to do office hours, either on Canvas or email. And again, you can just send that, if you'll let me know, say an hour or so before office hours start. So whenever it comes to mind, as long as it's at least an hour before, that'll be a good plan for us. So if you'll do that, I appreciate it. As far as your work goes, for you guys on Friday, you should be doing the discussion, and it is a graded thing. It's pretty much participation, but be sure that you post your reply, and then once you post your reply, you'll be able to see others' replies, and I want you to reply to two other people. You can like things, but that doesn't count as a reply. You need to actually say something back to them about some of their comments. Keep it positive, keep it upbeat, and keep it appropriate. You know that. As far as the rest of your work, you're starting in this week with some review. We're looking at things like moles and balancing equations. Now, I realize for some of you, we did moles and balancing equations online, so you may not feel really confident about it, and that's okay. We're spending quite a bit of time reviewing some things that we did last term just to get you hopefully a little more secure in that work. If you had Chemistry 1 last fall, we didn't get to balancing equations at all. We were slowed down for some reason. I still haven't figured that out. But that's going to be new information for you. So I've put up just pretty much the lessons that we did online in the spring for that. It's out there fully. And let's just kind of see how that goes toward the end of this week. And you can give me some feedback in our Zoom meetings and see how much more work we need to do on that as we go into the next week. So again, keep working away. Again, you've got a class schedule that's posted there on the homepage. You do not have to follow that. Work whenever it works in your schedule, in your life. The only thing that really you need to plan on doing is be there for the Zoom meetings. Otherwise, you can do the work for the class anytime you want to. So you don't have to be on there from 8 to 9:20 every day if your first period, or whatever time it is for third period. But just stay in touch with me. Let me know what's working for you. Let me know what's not working for you. And it would really help me also if you'll kind of let me know, sort of how long those lessons are taking you. We have a goal in mind of about an hour and 20 minutes of instruction a day. Now, on the Zoom days, 30 minutes of that or so, it's going to be our live instruction. So on those days, hopefully you've got about an hour of other work to do. On the days where we just have office hours, I'm looking at about, again, an hour and 20 minutes. If it's taking you 3 hours, let me know. If it's taking you 20 minutes, let me know. You probably don't want to let me know that, but I will adjust it if it's just taking way too much time, because we are trying to tailor this to make it useful, but it's not just about having a bunch of busy work for you to do either. So good luck as you go forward. Let me know how it's going. Keep in touch with me, and I'll see you soon.